po, this is Jill Pinoy. Today we're going to be making fish and chips. So what I have here is freshly cut potato. I put salt, pepper, paprika, and flour. And as well as this swordfish has salt, pepper, paprika, and flour. So I'm going to deep fry them and we'll see the finished products. We'll be back. Okay guys, so yung oil natin is hot na siya. We're gonna put it down to medium heat and we're going to fry our fries first. Okay, so what we have in this fries again is salt, pepper, paprika, and flour. We're gonna go ahead and deep fry them. Okay. Make sure you separate them because you don't want them clumpy. You want them to be nicely separated. Okay, and this is my first time making a fresh French fries with paprika, salt, and pepper. I don't normally make them this way. I normally get the regular fries that you buy from the freezer and just fry it, but I want to try making a fresh French fries for my family, so we'll be back. So, okay guys, we're now done with the fries. Gonna go ahead and take them off, and then we're gonna put in our swordfish. It looks good, guys. I think that flour on your potato is gonna help this French fries more crispier, I believe. So I don't know. I never tried it before. Okay, just a quick tip guys, you have to fry your French fries twice. So the first one I did 2 batch, and this is the second time I'm refrying these fries, so be nice and crispy. So the 2 batch I put them together, so this is the second time frying for the fries. Okay, we're just going to make sure that all that moist is taken out from the fries, because if it's not fried correctly, it's not gonna turn crispy. Okay, so we're just gonna fry this for like a few minutes just to help with the crispiness. It's almost done. Okay. I'm going to drain them. Transfer them to a plate with paper towel so that we can drain all the oil. Almost done. Let me try one. See if it's done. It's nice and crispy. And it's super hot. Oh, hot. Hot, hot. Perfect. It's done, guys. So I'm gonna move it on this plate that has paper towel to help get rid of some of the oil, because you don't want a super oily fries. Oy, masarap siya guys. Naimos apo. So, and now we're gonna dunk in our fish This is a swordfish. It's gonna get cooked quick. Okay. Because they are thinly sliced. So we're gonna go ahead and let that turn into golden brown and flip it and get it ready for our dinner. Okay guys, so now we are done with our fish. We're gonna go ahead and pick them off. So this is the last batch of our fish. And we're gonna go ahead and make our sauce. Okay, so guys, we're gonna go ahead and make our tartar sauce for the fish. So what I have here is a relish. We have relish right here. Not everybody like tartar sauce, so I'm just gonna make some. So we just have relish and some mayonnaise in here. Then I'm gonna put some mayonnaise in here too for the Thousand Island, for the French fries. Okay, so I'll be back. I need to get another spoon. Okay, I'm back. So this is our tartar sauce. I already put my relish and my mayonnaise, so we're gonna go ahead and mix it. This is a simple tartar sauce. Make sure we mix it nice. If you guys want to put more mayonnaise, you guys can always put more. I think for me this should be okay. So this is our tartar sauce, and now we're gonna work on our Thousand Island. So this is mayonnaise and ketchup. Simple. This is gonna be for our French fries. Simple as that, guys. Make sure you mix them well. If anything, because I like spicy food, I might put sriracha on the side for me. Mix it with this sauce for the fries, because I love spicy food. So there you have it. This is our Thousand Island for the fries, and this is for the fish tartar sauce. Okay, we'll be back. We're gonna bring out our French fries and fish, the crispy swordfish that we made. Okay, we'll be back. Okay, there you have it, guys, our final product. This is the homemade tartar sauce. Here's our fish and fries. Our fries is not burnt, that's the color of the paprika. But yes, this is our final product, fish and fries, and our homemade Thousand Island. Let's try it. So okay guys, we're back. We are now about to taste our fish and chips, or fish with potato, crispy potato. So we're gonna dip this in our Thousand Island. See guys, see how is that? It's not burnt, it's from the paprika. It looks burnt, but it's not. I think that the flour that we put in helps with the crispiness. Now let's try our fish. Mmm. Oh, guys, it's good. Try this very simple recipe. I just put salt, pepper, paprika, and flour on the fries as well as the fish. Salt, pepper, paprika, and the flour, and then I deep fried them. Like I said, the French fries, you gotta fry them twice. Okay? And then the fish got fried so quick because it's really not super thin, but you know, this is a slice, so it's just enough to get nice and crispy real quick. Mm. Man, this is so good. Perfect combination. So make your own tartar sauce. I put mayonnaise and the relish, and then your Thousand Island is with ketchup and some mayonnaise. So, but if you want your Thousand Island to be spicy, you can put sriracha in it. So there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Aloha, much mahalo. Thank you and salamat po.